How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 72 Cheyenne, done in a special order paint, apple red with matching red interior. Super nice truck. It had a complete frame off build up. It's basically a restoration, but when they did the build, they put a GM crate 383 in it, aluminum headed motor. It's got your air conditioning, steering, brakes. Real nice paint on the truck, nice and slick down the sides. All the moldings look real nice. It's got your factory rally wheels. So all the trim on the tailgate. It's got the ordered smooth bumper in the rear. Tell you, all the chrome on the truck's either been redone or replaced. There is a couple small bubbles in the bottom of the one door. Truck's been done about 6 years. See, very, very nicely detailed. It's got your factory air, been all updated with the small compressor and the 134. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering, nice set of headers and the duals. Got all your serpentine pulley kit. And that's a 425 horse, 383 GM crate motor. It's backed up with a 700 R4 overdrive trans. The doors look nice and clean. All the jams are real nice. All the weather stripping's been done. It's got the factory tach and gauge package. AM, FM. I really like the red interior in this truck. Very nice. It's got your factory tilt wheel. You have to kind of bear with us. The sun keeps coming and going today. Got a nice wood bed with your stainless strips. The rest of the bed's painted very nice. I mean, this is a truck you can just drive, go to your shows, enjoy it. Very, very nice truck. They did put a pair of gauges and a tach there below the dash. With the MSD ignition that it has, the factory tach doesn't work properly. It does still work, but they did the nice autometer tach just because of the MSD ignition. Those of you know the factory tachs don't like to work with the MSD. I mean, all the grill, everything, the grill surround, everything's very nice. Fires right up. Sorry about the sun going away on us. Tell you, just a tough sounding truck, I'll tell you that. Backup lights and everything work. Tell you, super nice truck, guys. Underneath, the truck's all real nice. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.